Wala. Can I hear feedback from you? What did you learn today? Kahapon, today.
Ah, Sir, personally po parang mas na-highlight po yung pagiging better clinician in terms of not just comprehensiveness, but also yung pagiging well-directed po no line of questioning. Like nagulat po ako kanina nung nag-stop po yung line of questioning niyo sa um kailan mo unang napansin. Parang usually po ang tinanong po namin kanina was, okay po, gaano po siya kalaki? Tapos nung susunod na buwan, gaano na siya kalaki? Para po ma-determine sana namin, may estimate kami ng rate of growth. Tapos parang nag-end up po kami na parang naging super fixated po kami into probing if every month since then po ba nanonote niya yung parang may bukol siya is kung naka-experience ba siya ng symptoms na yun na that would present like hyperthyroidism, like yung sa ano po mabilis ba pagtibok ng puso, may nabawas bang timbang. So lahat po yun halos every month after tinatanong po namin to the point na na-reduce na rin po yung efficiency namin as a history taker. So yun po sir, I think it's important to know those questions, but at the same time po when you are faced with a lot of patients, parang you have to gauge at what point po ba ng questioning magiging effective pa ba yung pagtatanong na itong mga tanong na to, and at what point po ba magbe-benefit na examine mo na lang din yung patient, which will give you a more objective um set of information which you can use to piece up po yung mga differentials. So yun po sir, yun po yung parang takeaway ko from our activity.
Okay. So efficiency is the keyword there, no? Efficiency. So you can look at it, you prioritize what you want to ask, you be selective, no? And then you can also look at it as maximalist, minimalist, no? So when you say minimalist, you ask only those important questions which can lead to what you want to have, to what the answer that you want. No, but there's nobody will stop you from asking more questions later on. If during in the process of investigating this patient's problem, you think that you have to ask another questions along, no, yung probably yung rate of growth, baka you might want to know, no? Then you ask questions, no? Okay. Pero kung hindi na kailangan, huwag mo lang itanong, no? Kasi it will not change your diagnosis, no? Okay. So, ganon. Oh, okay. Okay. Okay lang.
For me po, I think yung aspect of reconciling with the findings, like we have to be objective. Kung yun po talaga yung nakikita natin, yun talaga yung findings. Pero at the same time, hindi naman kasi perfect picture ang makikita na patient. And yun yung art sa medicine. Like, we have to use whatever we learn to help us lead to the most accurate diagnosis. So, uh, although wala nga yung report, I skimmed through naman kasi the findings, and uh, I don't really remember description for the right side. So talagang parang while we are discussing, it has made me wonder kung tama ba talaga yung ginagawa namin na since isang side lang po yung may finding, but at the same time we have to reach the end nga. And since may biopsy, we have to accept na ayan, yan po talaga yung final na findings.
Yeah. So how do you get back to verify kung talagang right lobe, left lobe lang? You have to look for the trachea. Check mo yung midline, yung thyroid cartilage, then i-trace mo. Kung curve siya, pag ganon, talagang tinulak siya. No? Okay. Gaano katagal na yung bukol na yan?
Almost a year, more than a year.
1 year lang? Okay. Kasi
Opo.
kung minsan Yung mga ginagawa namin sa missions, usually mga 20 years yan. Kaya kahit na tinulak na sa kabila, okay pa rin sila. Kasi nasanay na sila doon. So ito 1 year lang. Iba-iba yung presentation talaga ng mga patients, no? Iba-iba, no? Okay. So you just have to rely on your physical, yung signs mo, yung objective findings muna, no? Before the symptoms. The symptoms are relatively subjective, di ba? So you look at the signs. Okay? Okay. Reynolds,
Thank you so much po.
you're welcome.
Nakamute ka.
Actually, sir, it helped me na parang I can improve more on my physical exam skills sa HENT and also yung guides niyo po, sir, with regards to yung OLETE po. It was really helpful po in our regard na we also were able to utilize it well in terms of our patient encounter po for today. So overall po, amidst parang may mga uh difference in terms of findings, it's still fruitful po for me. And we were able to discuss the case well po.
Sige. Okay lang. Ganun talaga. Sometimes yung mga, may mga hitches, no? Okay. Mga PE findings, may discrepancy, no? We have to accept that. Nobody's perfect, no? Okay. But what's more important is to keep on following it up, be aware of the possible error, and then correct it right away, no? Okay. So with that, let's call it. I'll send you the extra reading on thyroid later on.
Thank you
Okay.
po, sir.
So you want to have a group picture just like the other one? Like just like the other group? Okay. One, two. Okay.